Barasa na niarutite Mukaana muhiana makiria Kandarathi aria mathiite na mbere na gukorwo makiruta wira wao kuhinya aritio thutha wa gucera thoko-ini imwe ni riũĩkaine ta Sichirayi ni riri kaunti-ini iyo akiuga ati yahetwo kimanjika gia ciringi millioni 178 gukorwo igiakwo na indi mwene Kandarathi nginya gukinyaria riu ndakoretwo agika wira wake na kihinyo. Ukiri uguo ni oritie mbutu itiganite cia uthuthuria na iria iri mwena ucio gukorwo magika mathabu makumenya niki kiarire kiria kingikuona ati mwene Kandarathi uyu ni hetwo kimanjika gia ciringi millioni 152 no gukinyiria riu thoko iyo ndiri yarika. Riu ni agwite ati wona uthuthuria wakorwo ukirika nimegutacokia makinya maruru ma kiwatho kuri ene Kandarathi ici.
Because there's no way you can pay over 90% of the project, and yet the work's done on the ground. When you look at technically, we are talking about less than 80%. So I want to direct our internal audit team do an audit of this project so that we look at the monies which have been paid. That is over 150 million Kenya shillings vis-a-vis the works which have been done. Number two, I also want to get a report from our technical team with regard to the balance of works and the value of the balance of works.
Yeah, so you know, when we're equating the percentage of the money paid, we usually include the advance payments. When we started this project, we were given some advance payments that usually when you add, definitely it will be more than what you've done because the advance payment you're paid even before you start any works.
I'll want the audit department led by our audit team to quickly do a technical audit with regard to the works that have been done, the payments which have been done, whether the monies which have been paid are based on the milestones that have been delivered or otherwise.
We're having so many challenges in this project. When we started, I don't want to unearth so many things, but there are so many challenges even from the client side. But we've tried our best to reach where we are today. Even you know the materials, the Russia things, the cements, the steel works. There are so many challenges, the weather.
The project is around 178 million Kenya shillings. What has been paid is actually almost 152 million. It isn't commensurate with what we are seeing on the ground.
Na riboti iyo ni gukorwo igitutura kahindaini gaitu.